Good morning, Abby. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. What are we doing out here?
Skydiving for the first time.
Really?
Yes.
Are you excited? Nervous?
Yes. Very excited.
Nice. Who do you have out here with you today?
I have my best friend Emily.
Hey, Emily. So, whose idea was this?
Mine.
Awesome.
Yes.
So it's your fault if anything goes wrong?
Of course.
Okay, as long as you'll take ownership.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we're gonna go up to 13,500 feet.
Yes.
Come back down at more than 120 miles an hour. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go have some fun, girl. Woohoo! Great job, Abby.
Gotcha, Sonny.
A little bit.
You're unhooked, free to stand up whenever you feel like it.
Tell me, Abby.
All right?
Yeah.
I got one line hooked on me.
You can take your goggles off.
Okay.
Am I getting that line, Frazier?
One in the right.
Yep. Always.
I'll loosen this up. I know it'll feel better once I get it. That's okay.
Abby, what did you think about that?
It was amazing. Besides, like, a little bit down, I started feeling sick.
You like the free fall better?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, you did great, girl.
Thank
Thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. Hope to see you again.
Yes.